Are you excited for tomorrow's workshop with me? Because I am, and we are going to be discussing memberships, the incredible subscription business model. It's a model that benefits both brands and consumers, and you as a business owner get to minimize stress, increase profitability because you earn recurring revenue. It's a very scalable business model, and it gives you a competitive advantage as well. And for consumers, there is a low bar entry. They get to save costs. It's very convenient. They enjoy exclusive services and beautiful, enjoyable experiences as well. And in a recent post, I analyzed all the benefits. I shared with you some incredible statistics that show the potential for growth and the tremendous power of this business model because it's growing even during these uncertain times at high rates. And I also shared with you examples of successful membership sites, small businesses, not giant corporations. And so that means anyone can do. And I also shared with you the incredible opportunity that exists right now with Stu McLaren, top membership expert, the number one guru in this space. And he's hosting a week long workshop series where he's walking you through this business model. And today he's hosting a workshop number three, and there are more live events coming up. So if you have not signed up already, head over to the blog webmarketsupport.com/blog to get all the details and sign up for the workshop with me tomorrow. I want to, and although Stu is a top expert, I want to take things to the next level. And so I'm hosting a workshop tomorrow, Friday, 11 p.m. GMT +3. And so we'll be discussing how to build a unique brand culture, philosophy, and value proposition for your business. That's extremely important, especially for membership sites because you depend on customer loyalty. You want to retain customers for a lifetime, so they get to pay you month after month or year after year. And so it's extremely important to build a brand name because if you don't, there is no way to succeed in this overcomplicated marketplace. There is so much competition in any industry. And I'm also going to show you how we develop winning, flexible, and solid strategies and action plans regarding all our business operations with the 7 ideals method. And I'm going to walk you through the first and the second phase, the 7AD zone and the big ideas. And also, I'm going to show you how we validate business ideas and eliminate any risks because we want to move on only if we are 100% sure with our ideas because we don't want to invest heavily early on in time, money, and resources. It's very painful. We want to be 100% sure. So I'm going to walk you through the first phase. We are going to show you how we research the market, how we segment the market, how we perform some incredible tests by developing information products using some amazing technologies like AI, artificial intelligence. In no time, in minutes, we are going to test the market and get responses. And I'm also going to show you how we can improve our business model and so much more. So sign up for tomorrow's workshop, Friday, 11 p.m. GMT +3, and we'll be discussing the amazing membership business model. So that's it for now. Sign up for the workshop, and I'll speak to you soon.